how to delete incognito history on Google Chrome on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to clear your DNS cache to wipe any trace of your incognito browsing activity on Chrome. First, open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. After that, tap on the address bar at the top of the screen. From there, type in chrome/netinternals/#DNS and tap Go to open the DNS settings page. At this point, you'll be taken to a Chrome internal settings page that most people don't know about. In the next step, you'll see a section called DNS with a button that says Clear Host Cache. Following this, tap on Clear Host Cache to delete all the DNS records stored by Chrome. Once done, your DNS cache will be instantly cleared, wiping out any record of the websites visited during your incognito sessions. Finally, go back to your Chrome home screen and your incognito browsing history will now be completely gone with no trace left behind. Keep in mind that clearing the DNS cache removes the local record of sites visited, but does not affect your internet service provider logs or any data stored on the websites themselves. And that's it. If this Chrome guide helped you clear your incognito history, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.